It's very humbly I want to state what I have found with my 10 years of experience in recruitment, being an engineer, is in our oil and gas industry, if a person is not there on the job for one particular day, the loss is $1,750 for the project. If you imagine Reliance Petrochemicals, billions of dollars, the person is not there per day cost. Whereas what I found is that we're trying to save money on the consultant's fee, which is 8.33%, but not realizing the billions of dollars invested in the project. And the person is not there.
No, he's not.
You're talking to the wrong guy.
The person is not there on time. You know, if your own internal HR takes 15 days extra to place the person, or 1 month extra, the kind of money we are losing is far higher, 10 to 20 times higher than the small fee that you pay to the consultant. This I found across Indian companies, except Reliance. They have never understood.
I think this is the same problem probably, I don't know about other people, we as an industry we also face. Because we also expect something from the consultant. First of all, quality, delivery. And sometimes what is happening, we are hiring at the higher positions through the consultants. But at the last moment, the person is not coming.
No, RTGR, that comes after you give the job to the consultant. I'm talking about,
that's what I'm saying.
you have a
That's what I'm
position.
saying. So how much we are losing on that part also. There are two areas. One is you are for us. At the same time, the person is already there. He's not joining. We are having a lot of time loss, quality loss, work loss. So if we are working together, we need to understand more. It's not 8.3% or 10%, because the companies are not considering that. As a HR person, I think I first of all I want to see my organization. What is the need? If it is required, I'll even spend 30%. So I think that's a relationship. You need to understand it.
I'm taking longer when it becomes impossible. Yesterday I had a meeting with an Italian guy. He is ready to give me 1 month, double the fees. To find the person. That means if I'm getting 12% from him, he will give me 12% if I close the position in 1 month. He gives me 75% of that 12% if I close it in 6 weeks, and 50% if I close it in 8 weeks. Why that situation? Because you try yourself, all the things, finally when it becomes extremely difficult, then you come. By then, the kind of money you are losing to your company, by the person being not there on the job, that is unaccountable. That's what nobody accounts for.
What was trying to share was
That is
All
the
of
flip
us are
side of the
accountable.
same coin.
All of us are accountable to CEOs like him. We can't do that thing. The CEOs will skin the brain, the skin out of us. So if we do that kind of foolish things, that be cautious about this 10% and lose money, we'll be out of our jobs, sitting on somewhere else. So don't misunderstand the talent in HR by saying that we do those foolish things. That we save those 10% and lose companies that we visit. We understand the business as much as our partners understand.
more than that.
Much more.
Much
Okay.
more than that.
So, let's not push it beyond a point.
We are not professional probably, and all companies are working professionals. So I think we all have some strategy, some concerns, and we are working according to that. And I don't know what experience you are having with other industry. We are not same kind of industry. Like in case of Yama, you are asking, we don't work that way. We work very professional. If it is proposition, we give exclusively or the way it should be. Very terms and conditions are very clear. And you do not go by days or time or something. If we have to meet a person we want to meet, if you ask 25%, we give you 25%. But we need a person one day.
I'm
Our
sure a
concern is delivery and
Please share one thing. Sir, with due regard, like to your interview. So it is not yours and us.
We're going to ask the last one question and close for the day.
I was reading recently that Yamaha has, over the last year has seen a growth of, more than 100% in terms of sales. In such cases, what is the, kind of pressure that you would have on HR? Is it like, you have to grow your team across domains by, let's say 25, 30%, 40%, or, and how do you handle that?
I think in the beginning when I shared with you, we have started our journey almost 2.5 years back. So whenever we change the strategy, always it is for time bound, 3 to 5 years. So that time we hired. If you see our hiring for last 2 years, it is almost 30 to 35% higher. At this moment of time, we are not hiring because of many reasons.